Every day begins with a promise of precision, a promise of purpose, a promise to protect, to heal, to strengthen lives around the world. The lives we help save, the water we help keep clean, the patients we help heal, the athletes we help fuel. At Natoli, we believe precision has a purpose, because behind every life-changing tablet that protects, nourishes, or heals is a tool designed to perform without compromise. And behind every tool is a team who cares deeply about making a difference. This is where science, engineering, and craftsmanship become one. We don't claim perfection. We pursue it every single day. And the true champions behind it all? Our people. Thinkers, makers, innovators. Every one of them a quiet hero, shaping the future of medicine and wellness. We support each other. We grow together. We celebrate what we build and who we build it with. Because when the world depends on what's inside a tablet, it depends on what and who is behind it. Every sunrise brings a chance to protect, heal, and empower lives. Every sunset reflects another day of impact. And we do it every single day for billions of people around the world. Natoli. We are more than a tool-making company. Join the team that makes the tools, that make the medicine, that change lives.